Amabara Julius Kyomuhendo musajja muliso mwe haba moli awebali munakasinikanu kuba oli naitwe hantekanza yaitwe ngenda kusaba o subscribing o following ha mikutu yaitu yona in the special whatever no subscribing ha channel yaitu Kitara TV personal handles zange Julius Kyomuhendo o following hona hali okali kanu kasumika politics usabite no President Museveni ali Bunyoro ajja kuba na rubata Bunyoro campaigninga nkujuka nkubajukiza okenge putekaniza mulingo zemereire and of course nkwenda kuba nimbajukizaho abantu baita bakuteka mensi between Kabarega Resort Hotel twina na Hoima Resort Hotel bokubuli mu Hoima oizire maikano kaire ka festive season abantu mujja mu Hoima mu Rugeresa mo yabasama muzire spending akasente oteba kubungira hezo hotels zembaganiza ukagenda okehamo ukagenda okaspending hakaire kawe in the special way anyina Omuzini Zinc Zinc ona inekizina kiyazinire abantu batandika okidiscussing I remember abantu benyabaire nabo tuli mu meeting samo yoko na ba different journalists niba kibaze kizina kifukire nsonga ino bayine line yibakubazeho muno line yagamba anti kunyaza bike so ati ndo nyagamba Zinc ono kamutozeho atuventu bazabaza mutunyimyamu aina nekizine kiyaka bakieta bata akanyama kawe lira akanyama kawe kyonka kandi utahabya abantu Christmas bokuba oteire kibango bo mukazi batakugulire ku akanyama ka Christmas atakoraki atangana bukakuba katayizire otakaina it is okay osakwirira akahimba kawe so nyina Zinc ramujya abata bakutondera
yes nywe bakutondera musibire muta I think it is their time let me hope you're good nkubaramukiyaho muri mutoko nyonde kurungi nyonyi karandi kurungi evankisimira ruhanga
so ebintu bikuru batabita
so good
music yogisangiro by the way ndugwa tutandikiro straight away kine kizina kya manyamba kintu bakiteka
bakakikengere
bakunyaza bale kizina baketo kikengere was this your first song yorunyoro oba
well no it's not my first song in Runyoro baitu arohe kizina kinde kinyatire kya mama kizina kya mama kirimu it is mixed Runyoro Rutoro Ruganda yes
nikyo kya baitu kyo tutakihule
baitu kyo yes kyo mutakihule but for this song ochikengere it is my first song
kyo teire mu amani muno
no nikyo nziniro Runyoro
duonka throughout
yes ntamixingiremu other languages
Zinc bakuzaranka ha
nyobanzara muhoraho
oli mwana wa muhoro oli mwana wa muhoro Nyakagadi no wakulire no someire
nangwa nyonsomire Bunyoro
anti muhorire Bunyoro
yes okay
so hati abantu bakagadi muhoro ono mwana Zinc mwana wo muwanyu mwina kumusagika
yego
so hati tugambire how did you pick up kutandika music?
Well, first of all, I had love for music.
Kuruga na musomero kyali buto babikajja
bita. Mwana muto nyonka banza kone endongo mu church. Ni nzinebyo Sunday school mama wange mulokole muno mukazi pastor. So yeah, hati nka growing up ni nzina mu church. Later on kyanyi jamu like yanyi nyabandi used muno nendonge bintu nke ya church yeah so I had that thing in me yeah
so in other words ni we omurokole yagwire
ntagwe but this is business you know yes this is business baitu obwika kya Sunday ngenda mu church ni saba obwika ndi mu bwire bwange bwa ruhanga mu hekitini sakienka ruhanga you know like yes there is time for everything
we mami agamba atadazi mami ko bina bibazaho
well at first kamurabya kubi muno by the way she was disappointed because she didn't know that maybe again ni nkwatogo muhanda but later on I explained you know
yakikenga
Atachikenge but tugendera aho bintu byampuitu
kulemezamu
akwatena kyokora at the end of it all yeah niko biri biti baitu wata inakanyeganyira yakanyaolo
akagamba ate omwana nikyo kinakwenda kamuleke
nyonka mugamba ti just nkyali muloko nyota amulokole by the way mamange mulokole dadi wange mukatoliki yes so I'm a Christian betu kandi kali ka business okenge
okarugiraho just mu church watandikiraho bino zakesere secular music obukabanzaho gospel mundo ko mukanisa
no by the way tingira kizina kya gospel ntadu papa tungira kizina kyange kya mama iwe mama nuwe mama yakiriyo kandi kirungi
so hati kiki kyenyine kyakusikirize what inspired you kwijja mu music
okay ngeri nkugambire first of all it was love already kandi nkajja kihura nti ngunisobora the first day I stepped in a studio when I recording my first song however much nkakirecording mu Uganda but ekyo nikyo kyandetere kumanya you can so I tried nyejani kora step by step paka na mbere ndi hano
Busa omuntu ya wakugambira nti onaka ku inspiring wa muroleraho something like that
yeah just nyowe nko omuntu kikaba kindi munyowe kakulandi mudongo muno
okusana okuzire nkabana abana bagamba kihaguru bakiyetenta
bya kibiri byamanya kwehagura manya kola kibenyonka kulandi byange kale you know nyenda nkole ekyo kinkuhura nyenda nkole
so now as bwatandikire music okatungayo omuntu akuinspiring wogamba nti now I think joining I want to be like such a person
no I want to be me Zinc baitu abogamba nti ngo halimu nambere okura no gamba baitu omuntu ono music ye nungi you understand so yes very many artists abakola good music yeah for example here in town baroho bana bakolera ki music murungi muno but tinyina omuntu gamba manya kwenda mbenka nanko byanyo bro nyo Zinc kwenda mbenka Zinc yeah man
toina wokurulira
sayo
do you have like let's start in kahanu bunyoro abo wakwendeze koraho nabo music
bona bana buli mwana ali mu industry muno mberege you know ndi mu position yegyo why not tukora busaho numanyango numanya bona barunge bana bantu bakutere endongo
mu bayisiki abali hano hawo kwehura bakutera hana baro
busaho nkwehura betwengeri nkugambire ekyo tusakitahi amukirinya kyo gambire okwegomboha busaho nkwegomba but I just want to be me abo kubanku hura ntingu nyowe ni nyakisobora nyenka
niwo kisobora wenka
ni nyakisobora
orundo kutina ngwa nyonko endonga nanko gwa mumpaire mu kumutera raga nanka bamumpaire
musi ati wobo kubanorora kale oha muntu kimbazini oha wokusobora
kugeragiranya
yes
mashabono kubehura
tinkubehura but we are doing different type of music nyonka jagamba nti ngati kankole kizina kyange mu runyoro ba mu rutoro kabanza nyarora industry ekumisinga ki you understand so bokuba no tunura music yange wire bunda only 2 songs so far I've done tinka olire yo muntu ali makugwa munanka aho mukastero kangako so yeah I'm good to go
Mansa bona bo bali haiguru
bali byabo tindi haiguru yo muntu wena betu bali byabo bakutera bintu bindi
muno afro mungambo kubasinga bo bakusinga
nyowe tinkusinga muntu kandi busaha kunsinga betu nyowe
oli you wenka
nyowe ndi Zinc bro
how do you rate yourself
rating
rate yourself 100 tugambia haikumi
I'm 9
you're 9
yes
to we haire 10
10. Why? Because you can't be so perfect. You can never be perfect.
Tulina abazini bayingi hano bunyora bakitera tera munabo match azogambo abokusinga kyonka mkwendo ngambire abazina at least nk'abataano bokuhura no gamba nti kalabo abohura nayo no gamba
omuntu nakora kurungi biki yati planetarium yogo planetarium endongo yogihura neyebaliza muntu murungi akutera endongo y'ebintu bikunyuma figo na wakutere ebintu bye bikunyuma mbyenda figo gunyuka muhura ntakatandikire noku jege tukaguruka
otakatandikire koraki
ntakabaye nokuta mu ndongo nti manya ati professionally nyizire mu ndongo biki ebinyuka
mu no kyali muto
tatandika ntakabaire kutandika endongo yonyini yinonka muhuraho so ya respect bro then kimzela nawe murungi bana bona bakabi
ngabo basatu
nabandi naliyo na Serenity 9 she's good she's very good then aroho nondi aroho bara likunyeba but bro bana bakabi haliyo Sky Pound ogo mwana nawo wakagadi muhoro nawo mwana ogo wakabi yes bana bali mubona bakabi bano scrolling anorora you know at TikTok
kagado inabazina abandi bomanyire
so far manyireyo Sky Pound then akabaliyo I'm forgetting the Dio. Yes, so good. Now when Yamuhuraga, Charlie Muto. So yeah, but so far around as of now, Manileyo Sky Pound.
Omano mushikibo jam music, one of the biggest challenges is basinga complaining ngaho. Ba producer, ba presenters, abasaija mu complaining kusabiriza
ni bategebe batu.
Toka kitira ino kitira ino.
No. As of now, tinkabaire kitira na why because nyowe nkajagamba ati kansale ntahe music I was so prepared. Bibamu kandi birimu bingi muno. Birimu era bakwijja mwetegeke bintu nkebyo. That is in case borabo tali ready. Endonge egyo ekwetaaga otaba desperate. Endongo tekwendo be desperate. Endonge egyo ekwetaaga either actually ekwenda muno connection. Ekindi borano kimanya ntingu tokabaire kubamu n'akasente akataito kakakutandikirwaho okaija ntingu bambi nyamba ohoi ati mu nyamba egyo abantu bengi muno bakoleramu bagikozesa nka advantage yokuhuta bwana obwo you know so it is either you come or you ready or obireke all when you're ready for that.
Kumanyisa basanga bana bali desperate abatena muna akasente.
Tokwijja no bambe okwenda mune kintu weno you know baito taina muhatya ho bakunena mulo.
Would you date Omuntu link mu industry yawo?
No, it will never. Tikisa kuba.
Nsonga ki?
I have my own personal reasons. Ikintasa kubazaho. I don't feel like I can.
What is omusajja akubere nka dream wawe kwenda
abata?
Because hano gambire banu baba producer bo habo they are not your type. Oba not your wanketa interest.
Tingambe they are not my type. But that even to a relationship even nabyo it differs, you know. Tokusa kumara gagendera omuntu when you're not obangambe enta buli muntu ayine kyayenda yosa kuba oli hano no yenda abakazi bakutiribita abo ali omuntu onde wagamba anyoki okutiribeta tinkifireho but I want what knowledge, you understand, so it depends. Yeah, now for me nyowe first of all bingi muno bingsa kwemera nkagamba nti nguhati yes Nja kusweru oba nja genda mu relationship inakubanza nka looking after this. Biroho bingi muno baitu biri personal. Yes.
Okay, but ekizina kile kya okikengere kikaija kita, how did it come?
Okikengere kyo it is actually a short story. Nkabandi mukoko nkaba baitu
that microphone nene.
Oh, sorry.
No ginanka.
Sorry.
Watu gifurule. Take some way hand.
Yeah, nkabandi mukoko nyikara munna ka my younger brother. So that boy we are always not in good terms. Ikala na mpora na hora nebintu nkebyo ni mugamba takuvura biki. Yeah, so that day I think it was a disorganized day. Tukayimukanyinkia karataro omuntu akoragana na mutahi waye. To the extent that even when I cooked food yayanga kulya, you know. Buli muntu yasibabye asimwa biki. So Roni Dadoni yantere simu tukatwina yo session yantere, but during that period nambe yantereire nkabandi mnintoka n'omwana ogwo ni mugambo nugire byo kulya biki ebyo ati Roni yangamba kandi ohogwa kunuga. So nyamgani kanya msobole bibaire hawo biki nyara if I stay at home like bijja kusiskara muno, let me leave, you know. Ekirungi na renda dona kasangwa na nyeta studio tuina yo kora. So I left, but when I went nkamsanga ina beat already aro beat yabaire haho. So nkatandikira already nkagena na negative energy zange zo mwana nyatandikira aho nakunuga koraki nkesa na nyenda nitrenga kikaliza mu beat nyara nikikaramu. So when I enter the studio, of course yes, nyatandika writing that song.
There is when I posted about that song actually kandole message eno ndani nkiyagine aro yangambire araba kuguliza ekizine kyo yanga kubasasula.
Oha.
I want to find this message ruhanganya mbera ne kyali musimu enu bagamba aruya kuhandikira ekizina nguwa yanga kusasula ekizina.
Well, as of now tinyina writer usually apart from my Luganda songs
bagamba this is a message that song was written by baitu I was talking actually your song Omuntu yagamba baita akanyago muhandiki wekizina
araho
namugamba who wrote the song yanga that song was written by percentage and later completed by Planetarium. Message inzizo someone sent me messages hati nkwendo kugambire diary is this right like ono ekyakubazo kikira.
Well, hati nyeki nsa kugamba busaho omuntu obangamba kitwale entertainer showbiz right now inakumanya nti ngu haliyo abaana abaku just akubayo omwana nahura nayenda abaze nayiwe, you know, baituki maybe kitakusoboka, you understand. Aroho omwana akubali oko nagamba baitu nankogo mumanyire, you know, betu atakumanyire, but maybe when he or she wants to show someone that they know you more, you understand. So these people I actually don't know, I'm green about that.
Abokuba mu message harumu abantu babiri harumu gayo bakweta percentage wo kumukenge
timanyire
then baina na Aaron Planetarium
manyire baitu
ataina mukono mukizina.
I don't think so. But we manyire Planet no kubaza tubaza.
This song came up with the number of criticisms. I believe ezindi was ruragezi neno zihura. How did you handle?
Well, buli muntu aine understanding ye. You understand? Nyonka zine ekyo ntakina ho ngambe, like I felt like, you know, I'm doing the best. I'm trying to pull out the best. It was agamba murole kikaito. But when you're joking, you know, only akakitwara serious, you understand? So to me, I don't think that obanyine nyinayo energy mbi yone nyatekereze, but respectively nkakitwara nkaleka buli muntu akitwara engeri akurora, you know.
Yes. Kitakumale mumani.
Wow. No. Nyombe in industry for some good time. So I know how to handle.
Have you faced bullying mu music?
Bibamo, but it depends. You may find yourself down. But what nyongira mwempu itu. Yes, abwensonga. Ogena nokola ekizina kyawo kiteereho omutima. Notekereza kya kabi. Noteesa ekizina. No oine subi, you have hope, you know, and it fails to work out. No huro muntu nagamba baito gwazina biki ebyo. You understand?
Kando kiteiremu asente
me once actually nyowe bobaze kintu nkekyo kindetera kukyola mu studio. Ati nkolekyo ekikira haho. You understand? So nyowe ekyo kinyongeza bongeza energy. You have to do, you know, kadi nyo muntu atalibo kwa kagamba manya agia kunjuma nsase bointa akioma meto mulo
tiba kujuma
bora njumo kusiso obwire akiro ontera
bagambo bakita kusarara
hati ija ontere aho nyaga abokuba, you know, yes bedu bora njuma bro kusiso obwire gya kuteru omutoji
and because I was coming to that abaisikia abazine bakusinga bagamba bataba malaya betunda biki nuko mbageni kwaguza. How do you face such challenges and such criticisms?
Buli muntu alioke kwete kyakura na yenda kwete za kweta musuma otakaibaga but nikyo kinyizire maybe, you understand? Nyo kunyeta malaya ntali malaya tikine kikikunkora, you know, me I'll just look at you nikyo nkugambire you talk bad nkurole burura, you know, and you'll go you go and do what you want to do. Kwano sisa bwire bwawe, I'm not a prostitute.
Abakutuhondera Kitara TV tunchaino Omuzini Zinc tukwenda ongambire some of the challenges osangire music, because I understand you have been in the industry for some years. This is bikyotanga ine.
Well, some producers bo kolagana nawe, there is that delay, maybe asako and how should I call it, undermined, underlook, how, you know, like yes, you know, na kuzoleya bena mwezoleya kando ndi naijja omuntu wa kabi niba mwanguhize bintu nkebyo kale tibiburamu, but you know it pains, it hurts. Just baitu nyongere nkugambirege bintu nkebinyo bindetera kora muno nyobu ndaba mu kintu ekiri disappointing yoba kintu nkezala weryo dindetera kora muno nyenda nkole muno na nyowe mpike on that level nambe otasa kwemero kandabya mama iso. Yes.
What is your worst moment yokujukaho in music?
My worst moment? Alo producer yanvimbire mwana. Alo producer yanvimbire mwa wekiyaye manyabo kuba alo kale star ya izire yata nkaba was working. It was my session. Tukatulieni tukora hati hata hamu bazini ba kabi beba kurora nyota wa kabi betu saku butandorao, you know, hati haijayo wa kabi wokura niwe wa kabi yata hamu myaye yangamba linda
wagenda reception Kitara kulinda
nyanza nyaikara bakoraho bakwenda and nyarorobwire ni bugenda, you know, nyina kutaha bintu nkebyo muntu omutere manya kubasamba mu sometimes baitu no gamba hati kiranyamba ki no muleka. So actually I left that day baitu nkagenda nyine guntu hanu nyenda nku nokolemu amaisa
tutugambire about your new project ya Kanyamakawe.
Akanyamakawe nkakola Akanyamakawe based on daily life. For example, I'm usually on TikTok, but TikTok yange Bunscrollinga ndora abafu. Bunscrolling. Ndora onumanya afiire nibateekawo obuzina. Nibateekawo obuzina manya walumbeza yabi. Nyakantu akandisturbing anti nakufa. Tina kufa.
Baitu twenda tujja kufa.
Tujja genda baitu nyombi tina. Ati nyobumbiro labi disturbing obwongo bwange ningamba baitu kale muno omuntu owomanyire. Nogamba mali omuntu anagenzi. Mwana nogati ogwalekera ebintu bingi muno nakasente kosa kusanka bereyo ko mu banka biki
akalekere
nogamba wewe kankalye. So nyagamba Omuntu ayerire gakasente kaho kechumitamu akanyama bokuba oyere kabiya kawe n'akaharagya abo kubanuka tamu. As long as you know you're happy. Okubulo kwetamu ebintu ebyo bomezi bunu mwana life is shit. Ogenda tukuturuka hano nekutera bagamanya ati Julius amazireyo. You know? Abakyota ali akanyama.
So still producer Nweroni.
Oh yeah, renda.
Nakiri kikengere Roni.
Roni abo kuba ina touch nungi muno mu style egyo.
Ya kabi. Have you worked in a producer band?
Yes, nkozeona Nesimu, nkozeona Brian Beats, nkozeona Dimario, Daddy Andre. Bona nkozere nabo but it depends bwiro obo okwenda which touch.
Orundi nona akakukenga kurunge mukenganga na murunyoro olulimi.
Yeah, kikusoboka bokuba the other producers are of different languages. I think esanga Rwanda dona ali olulimi niro lumu. Kyanyangwira muno isano oli mwa brother wawe, you know, you be so free to do anything. Yeah.
Roni wakora nko hati mwananka niwe manager
niwe producer. Producer tere bigoma byange na makinga sure mpere kikusinga bokuba wakabi. Tokimanye? Wakabi atera so yeah.
So what should the fans expect from you?
More fire say. Nkuleta. As you know, I'm the baddest guy around town. Tinkwenda kikyora mweke borando rago kimanye the baddest guy around town.
Aizire.
Mulo.
Ati nkwendo tugambire maybe in the near future uturayo like Zinc live in music hano bunyoro or
like concert. Yes, but tukiri nikyo nkusa kutekereza how as of now because me I feel like nkiaenda mbahe. Yakubahe ndongo inywe.
Abana
mujja kunyekulira mu
abana bagambira babunyoro bakakase
nkwenda mbahe ndongo bagiye kulire munka
mulago gamba mulago
oba kirudu ngiye kubahe ndongo pakakura ko
bagiye kulire
mu ntekereze ebintu bya concert for now concert no yaman
ebintu kibyo tungire music
bintungire so far connections. New music and detail kumanya Julius Mlo. So connections number one. Ba friends, you know. Banywani nyina bengi muno. Julius munywani wange tali nyana.
Nkyali just media personal.
Oli munywani wange nyoleka kunyakana yakulu. Genda.
Ekid.
Yeah, so funny byebyo. Ntindagamenti ngu sente nyingi muno no. Of course bulimo sente. But yeah.
Myself turatunga ina collabos.
Oh yeah, collabos are so coming fire. Kanimba gamba mo fire say. Fire zikuija nyingi muno music ali loaded. Kitara mu studio.
Tuli hai kumalire ntekanza bahati ngambira eibara lilo Zinc likajalita
Zinc likaruga isomera aho St Andrea hati nyowe tinda gambe nkabandika gujja manya mu chemistry manya biki ebyo ntabadupa bo kuba bana bamanyire ba hobbies and ogize okwo yeah so
St Andrea
koka ibali yes
but then karura ronya pozinga ogiwaitu
yamani nkabandi yoko. So, twasomaga chemistry nyine problem yokandika ka zinc akantu ako ZN
abbreviation
kasayina ako ati Mr. tukatwenayo Mwegesa Mwegesa ogumwana obaka bali biki buli butwatahaga mu kilasi nangenda okwikana kibira ekitabu kyange kurora akantu ako nkahandikire entabiki kandi bamini kantalibanisa nyo pandikise emoso
akazinki
benyo nindora ninkahandika kurungi byange ni nkubisoma ni hata omyayo ogu one day yeja mu kilasi ntabikenga no bikenga kejana papers yagaba papers biki yakwata olupapula lwange yalusigaza ko kagaba papers zona nyonka ningiroba yange terimu yakisigaza pepe yange yagamba abaana tudde tujja kwega Zinc banteeka yanyeta yanteeka ha blackboard yakubamu line oti ati atandika ku alesere kiboko aliho bubambu stick obwo bulesere buli deska obuli bwingi betubona nagamba bwange
aboko ohandike Zinc
anja juli mpandike Zinc kubyantere hati nyine omulimu gwokwandi bagamba topic yone ejja kwera hati nyina kumekinga sure Z eri Z N eri small N nyatuya
baroshagiye kakaza kurunga
nkatuyira blackboard yaho tukajja kumaliriza lesson ni banyeta Zinc so from then na yangure ibara lya Zinc
kikaruga musomero
naticho byataha mugana ga Zinc bring for us chalk Zinc korot you know so yeah it was from school
ati Zinc kike kikuya hewaya
bingi muno nyo tinyenda muntu kumanyira mwana tinyenda muntu andabya mama isanzo anzole yazole yebyo byokumvimba vimbe ebyo nyowetu bikuwa kubi
ekande kikusemeza
ekinsemeza sente
muntu akwesente nomusajja bakuba nakwenda ku sente bakakuba
sente ati aliye ebintu byokwenda nga nabitalimu sente nkwenzaaki saka sente kaina kuvaamu mukimanyire
so sente
manye sente zikatunda Yesu zinura
alright tukwenda kuba tumaliriza ebigambo bye bikusemba
bigambo byange first of all nyowe webale muno
webale kusiima
for this opportunity na bahagizi bange nkubasima muno mwebale muno kungonza mwebale mnyondi innocent girl
bad girl
but a bad girl mulo eketinye sereka tinyenda nonsense I don't deal with nonsense but besides that I'm a good person you know so you guys mwebale kungonza nanyo kubagonza mwebale gonza maika music inkyaleta fire bingi munebiru ebirungi bingi muno binja kubahereza maisa yes kandi mutarugaho mukalava ko mukanyongere
thank you so much webale kurabaho abakutuhondera Kitara TV mwebale munabaikireho rugali tukatandikire gemba ile na Zinc natunyumizamu urugendo rwayo rwa music nitwenda kumukenga twenda kumumanya bikumukwataho so nukwagambira kyabaletera kyabokyo muziki gukyajja maiso gwingi muno so ngenda kusaba cyali tutugambire handles zawe
Zinc music
YouTube
na social media umanya platforms zona Gogo Spotify Boomplay Omuziki Mudundo Zinc music
so abana ba TikTok mugende musearchingo Zinc music mukore bu challenge mugenda ya YouTube watching videos them subscribing na channel ye mu following ende
kandi bojenye nkusima munabana ba TikTok bro boja bana ba hoimenye mbenda boja bana ba kunyenda mwebale muno bojenye ba TikTok katinga
kumentioninga kizina kala kagambo ko kunyaza
akunyaza omunyaze bakakenga
let's meet mu program zezindi Kitara TV mobile